Salmon skin secrets revealed. Welcome to our channel where we explore culinary wonders. Today, we're diving into the surprising benefits of eating salmon skin and some important precautions you should consider. You might think I'm talking about some fancy Michelin star ingredient, but I'm not. This is something much more accessible. This is about taking something ordinary, something most people chuck in the bin, and turning it into a culinary and nutritional masterpiece. We're talking about salmon skin, and let me tell you, this stuff is a game changer in the kitchen. So put on your aprons, sharpen your knives, and get ready to learn why you should be treating salmon skin with the respect it truly deserves. Omega-3 Powerhouse. Unlocking the health benefits. Listen up, you lot. Today, we're diving deep into the world of omega-3 fatty acids, those magical nutrients that your body absolutely craves. We're talking omega-3 fatty acids, the good fats, the ones your body craves. These aren't just any fats, they're the elite forces of the nutritional world, the kind that can make a real difference in your health. And guess what? Salmon skin is packed with them. Yes, that crispy layer you've been ignoring is a treasure trove of omega-3s. These aren't just some wishy-washy health benefits either. We're talking about real, tangible improvements to your well-being. We're talking about serious stuff here. Omega-3s are essential for your body, and the benefits are backed by solid science. Omega-3s are like the Navy SEALs of your body, fighting inflammation, which is the root of so many bloody problems. Inflammation is linked to a host of chronic diseases, and omega-3s are your first line of defense. Heart disease? Omega-3s are on the case. They help reduce the risk of heart attacks and strokes by keeping your arteries flexible and reducing blood pressure. Joint pain? Omega-3s are there to kick its arse. They help reduce inflammation in your joints, making it easier to move and stay active. Brain fog? You guessed it. Omega-3s to the rescue. They support brain health, improving memory and cognitive function. And where do you find these miracle workers? In that crispy, flavorful layer you've been throwing away. Yes, the salmon skin you've been discarding is a goldmine of health benefits. It's enough to make you weep. Imagine all the health benefits you've been missing out on. But hold on, there's more. Omega-3s aren't just good for your insides, they're bloody brilliant for your outsides too. These omega-3s aren't just good for your insides, they're bloody brilliant for your outsides too. We're talking glowing skin, luscious hair, and nails that are strong and healthy. We're talking glowing skin, luscious hair, the kind of radiance that makes people stop and stare. Omega-3s help keep your skin hydrated and reduce the signs of aging. And you're telling me you've been tossing this secret weapon in the trash? Honestly, it's criminal. Think of all the benefits you've been throwing away. So next time you're cooking salmon, don't you dare disrespect that fish by discarding its skin. Treat it with the respect it deserves. Crisp it up, season it right, and enjoy the taste of pure, unadulterated health. It's not just good for you, it's delicious too. You can thank me later, so go ahead, embrace the skin, and unlock the full potential of your salmon. Your body will thank you, and your taste buds will too. Fighting diabetes with flavor salmon skin on the front line. Imagine a world where the food you eat not only tantalizes your taste buds, but also helps you combat one of the most pervasive health issues of our time. That's right, we're talking about diabetes and how something as simple as salmon skin can make a significant difference. Now let's talk about diabetes, a real kitchen nightmare. For millions of people around the globe, managing diabetes is a daily struggle. It involves constant monitoring of blood sugar levels, careful meal planning, and often a lot of frustration. The kitchen, which should be a place of joy and creativity, can become a battleground. It's a global epidemic, and frankly, it's time we fought back. Diabetes doesn't discriminate. It affects people of all ages, races, and backgrounds. Health professionals worldwide are constantly seeking new ways to help manage this condition. And sometimes, the best solutions come from the most unexpected places. And what's our weapon of choice? You got it, salmon skin. This often overlooked part of the fish is not just a tasty treat, it's packed with nutrients that can help in the fight against diabetes. Now, I'm not saying it's a magic cure, but research suggests that eating salmon skin can be a real game changer for those battling type 2 diabetes. Studies have shown that the omega-3 fatty acids and other nutrients found in salmon skin can help improve insulin sensitivity and reduce inflammation, both of which are crucial for managing diabetes. See, salmon skin helps regulate blood sugar levels, which is crucial for anyone, but especially for those with diabetes. Maintaining stable blood sugar levels can prevent the spikes and crashes that make managing diabetes so challenging. It's like having a sous chef in your body, making sure everything is running smoothly. Imagine your body working more efficiently thanks to the nutrients in salmon skin. It's like having an internal assistant helping you manage your health, but it doesn't stop there. The benefits of salmon skin extend beyond just blood sugar regulation. It's also a versatile ingredient that can be incorporated into a variety of delicious dishes, making it easier to stick to a healthy diet. Salmon skin also helps with wound healing, which is essential for diabetics who often struggle with slow-healing sores. The nutrients in salmon skin can promote faster healing and reduce the risk of infections, which is a common concern for those with diabetes. It's like having a first aid kit built right in. Imagine the peace of mind that comes with knowing that the food you're eating is helping your body heal from the inside out. So, if you're looking for a delicious and effective way to manage your diabetes, look no further than salmon skin. It's not just about managing your condition, it's about enjoying your food and feeling good about what you're putting into your body. It's a culinary and health revolution, all rolled into one. By incorporating salmon skin into your diet, you're not only treating your taste buds but also taking a proactive step towards better health. So, let's embrace this delicious and nutritious weapon in the fight against diabetes and make our kitchens a place of healing and joy once again. Listen up, beauty queens and kings. Are you ready to unlock the secret to glowing skin and luscious hair without breaking the bank? You're spending a fortune on fancy creams and treatments, but I'm here to tell you, the secret to radiant skin and hair is sitting right there in your kitchen. Yes, you heard that right. It's not in those pricey jars and bottles, but in something as simple and natural as salmon skin. Remember those omega-3s we talked about? These essential fatty acids are not just a buzzword, they are the real deal when it comes to beauty and health. Well, they're not just good for your insides, they're bloody miracle workers for your outsides too. Imagine a natural, effective way to enhance your beauty routine without the chemicals and synthetic ingredients. See, omega-3s help to keep your skin hydrated and plump, reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. They work by maintaining the skin's lipid barrier, which is crucial for retaining moisture and keeping your skin looking youthful and vibrant. They're like a natural facelift, without the surgery and the hefty price tag. And for your hair, the benefits are just as impressive. Forget about expensive conditioners and serums. You don't need to clutter your bathroom with countless products when you have the power of omega-3s at your disposal. Omega-3s strengthen hair follicles, promote hair growth, and give your locks a healthy shine. They nourish the scalp, reduce inflammation, and prevent hair loss, making your hair look fuller and more vibrant. It's like having a personal stylist on call 24/7. Imagine waking up every day with hair that looks like you just stepped out of a salon. So ditch the chemicals and embrace the natural goodness of salmon skin. It's not just a trend, it's a lifestyle change that can transform your beauty routine. It's the ultimate beauty secret, hidden in plain sight. Incorporate salmon skin into your diet and skincare regimen, and watch as your skin and hair become more radiant and healthy. So next time you're at the grocery store, don't just buy salmon for its delicious taste. Remember its incredible beauty benefits too. Remember, always choose wild-caught salmon over farmed salmon to avoid environmental toxins. Try making salmon bacon for a delicious and crispy treat. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more health tips and recipes. See you next time.